Welcome man to our Alphamantraining live videos. So as we told that story in Alphamantraining Facebook channel, so definitely watch live videos on Alphamantraining. Watch the live video. We escalated a girl for 2 hours where we told the whole thing, what happened. So now we drove to a place where we will buy a red LED lamp bulb. So as we had that girl at apartment, and on TV were playing sexy video clip, and that video clip turned it into red color, so the whole room shined in red color. And during that moment, we noticed it later on, by watching videos, that it triggers here emotions. It definitely creates more seduction atmosphere, and definitely it pushes more fast to sex. So a person, one man will drive. He has a heart shape of lamp, and inside will be simple lamp, but the cover will be heart in red color, and when it shines in red. But definitely, it's simple lamp, but still we will increase our apartments, more power, turn any girl for sex. So that's a great evening. It's not very, it's maybe in Celsius, I would say maybe 18 degrees, something like that. So it's definitely starting to get colder. But people, are relaxed. We are walking, and it's a nice place, and yeah, definitely it's a good thing. It's a good thing to improve your apartment, to buy new things, experience. I remember when we flew to Phoenix, Arizona, and to San Francisco later on, and in San Francisco we created an apartment for a guy. So we went to IKEA, bought things, prepared the living room and bedroom for pulling a girl and turning her into sex. That's very crucial, and that's very important, because if your apartment is not ready, so when you pull a girl, it's much more difficult for you to get laid, to sleep with her. And to prepare, to invest energy, time, it's crucial. And definitely AMT coach can just give you advices and work with you together, go to shops, buy necessary things, and prepare your apartment. I mean, it's amazing, So we have a date on Friday, and probably tomorrow we have 2 dates. So I don't know if we will have energy tomorrow to date 2 girls. But if we will not have energy, so we postpone 1 date tomorrow with 1 girl. So will be cool. I see some bikes, here. I don't know, do you drive a bike or not, but actually a cool thing to ride a bike. Motorcycle, 2 motorcycles, Honda, one. No, maybe not Honda. Let's see, Ducati. Maybe, yeah, one maybe is Honda. Another one is Ducati. Yeah, Ducati. That one, Ducati. So, by riding motorcycles is a very good thing, and I don't know if you tried Yamaha FJ 1300, so it's a very amazing bike. It's